Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangalore This is Comfy Home number 35, a brand new independent house built on BDA site 20 by 30 east facing. It is located in Nagar BDA extension of Bannerghatta road in Anjanapura BDA layout. 25 feet tar road, ground floor car parking, two-wheeler parking and 1 BHK unit. First, second floor, duplex 3 BHK house. We will see the main house, duplex. Then in the end of the video, we will come back to the ground floor. Beautiful elevation work. Stone cladding work is done. Solid teak wood main door in the northeast corner, east facing. All granite flooring inside. First floor has living, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom and puja room. So complete TV unit, east facing. Next to it, this is puja room, east facing. Main door and puja room teak wood. Other doors and windows sal wood. So this is the puja room. Southeast corner, this is kitchen. All double side laminates for the interior work. And in the southwest corner, this is the first bedroom with wardrobe and attached bathroom. Bathrooms will have Jaquar brand fittings, Phenolex and GM brand switches, Phenolex wiring. 2000 square feet of super built up area. There is a headroom with laundry area and staircase room. We have reached the second floor. Second floor, this is the master bedroom. 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1 balcony. So inside the bedroom you have this large TV unit. Attached bathroom for the master bedroom. Ventilation is there. Wardrobe and dressing mirror. And this is the third bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony, roadside facing. Balcony has cladding work, stainless steel and glass railing work. In the center staircase area also having a stainless steel railing. Now we have reached the top floor, terrace floor. Terrace floor staircase room. For drying clothes there is a cloth line. And this is the laundry room in the southwest corner. Also serves the purpose of tank room, overhead tank. Property has got own borewell, Cauvery water lines have been laid, supply is yet to start, but highly developed area, lots of houses are there in the surrounding. This is 1 BHK, living, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. If given for rent, around 6 to 7,000 rent per month can be expected out of this. One car parking, multiple two-wheeler parking, ground first, second floor, 20 by 30 east facing BDA site. 4.5 kilometers from the Meenakshi temple metro station. This is comfy home number 35. Behind this is the setback space. There is an existing house behind. All other details are given in the description. Multiple options are available. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.